Here's an interesting new pairing I haven't seen before. Here's Sage and here's Kit. Looks like they're just going to ignore each other and hang out on opposite ends. Sugar boy Kit. Kit likes this lounge. He likes to come and sit on it with us when we're watching TV. But I don't know how he feels about this interloper who's recently taken over the other end. Quite often find her on this end. You look a bit excitable. So Sage is going in for her vet work tomorrow. And then she'll be available for adoption in a couple of weeks. Kit is available anytime if you fall in love with him. Oh, look at you doing funny things every time I take the camera off you. Kit's a grand champion Houdini of escaping and going out on adventures. He's known to have issues with other cats. Sometimes he's fine, sometimes he gets into an issue with someone. Hey, like right now he's saying grr because he's like, what are you strange person doing being near me? He often makes faces and noises like he's about to complain to the manager when something stressful's going on. So I think what he really wants is just to be someone's only cat. Yes, she's not going away, sorry. He wants to be someone's only cat where he can just hang out on the lounge, do his thing. Ideally, try and keep him contained because he does like to kill things. Sage is just yet another one of these big personality Cornwall ladies. Pretty good at just liking people straight off the bat. She's a little bit shyer than some of the others like Ginger and Foxy. But she's pretty good. Oh, you had enough, you're leaving, are you? Bye. There's Matey up there. Alright, shall I leave you to stomp on this blanket and go and talk to your other sisters? Bye, Sage.